Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget subscribe. All right, this is part 2 of this Challenger.
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams, brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind.
Right there, guys, as you saw me, I'm working on this Challenger. I already removed the door. I did cover it up, just I don't want any dust going inside this this car. So I'm sanding everything right now. I have noticed that there's a lot of comments stating that I need to remove this to bare metal. It's not gonna work. Don't worry, guys, it will work. This car has been painted for a couple of years already, so the clear coat is already dried, like dried to the max. It ain't gonna shrink anymore. So what I'm doing, I'm sanding it. I sanded it with 80 grit, the entire body. I'm not gonna do the doors yet. I did sand them, but I'm not gonna do the doors yet. I did this part, just trying to do the body. So the front bumper has been removed also, so we're going to be painting the body, the bulk of the body first. That's what I'm focusing on as right now. So I sanded it with 80 grit complete, as you saw in the beginning of the video. Then I went with 180, 220, 320, and that's where it's at right now. It's at 320 grit sandpaper. I am gonna re-sand it. I already fixed that little dent that it had right there, and there was another one right there that was fixed already. So it's at 320. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna re-sand it again with 400. That's gonna be the last sanding that it's where it's gonna stay at 400 grit. That is perfect. Now also I want to note that I removed the trunk. I am going to remove the hood. I am not going to paint those. The trunk does have a little strip that goes along the bottom, which is going to get painted, but try to remove the most that you can. On this, the guys did remove the bumper. I believe that's the reason that that's a different tone, which it's good, but on a candy paint job, all you needed to do was separate it. Just leave the bumper there, separate it so that everything is uniform, not the way it was two-toned. Right now what I'm doing, I'm trying to give you as much information as possible, because right now I'm just sanding. I don't want to have you here bored with me just sanding away. That's a basic thing that you need to do. The most important thing on a paint job, guys, the very most important thing is the prep, the preparation. The painting that's the easy part. The most important part is the preparation. So the sanding, it's mostly where it's at. Now, like I mentioned, I'm at 320 right now. I'm gonna sand it again to 400. So let me do a time lapse so that you can see it, and we'll go from there. and you saw me sand it to 400 right there. I still need to pressure wash the car and stuff. I still need to remove that door, but there you go. So I'm gonna finish up the sanding, guys. This is gonna be it for this video. I didn't want to do these videos extremely long, so this will be it for this video. Now I'm gonna bring you back once the car is already perfect for the paint, so that I can start masking it. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna mask it for this paint job. All right, this will be it. Thank you very much. Again, subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. Hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. This is part 2 of this Challenger full paint job. Thank you very much. Enjoy the week. I'll see you this coming weekend, and like always, stay safe and God bless.